District administration called a meeting on Mission Bumiputra on 23rd August at Depot Circuit House. Bus carrying tea garden workers fell into a stream at Jilangso on Tuesday. Several villages under Dongkamukam town inundated with flood water at West Karbi Anglong.
Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents second Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022. Both for male, female, misses, teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required height, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary audition scope. Diphu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjanglangso, Hamren, Dongka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958.
Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. At around 11 a.m. today, Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong called for a meeting on Mission Bumiputra at Depot Circuit House with principals and headmasters of various schools and colleges under Karbi Anglong district. Dipakar Nath, IAS Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, chaired the meeting. Principals and headmasters from various schools and colleges under Karbi Anglong district attended the meeting. District administration aims to provide caste, tribe certificates to all students studying at class 9 to 12 currently through this mission at their own respective educational institute. Dipakar Nath, IAS Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong, while speaking to us, informed that the meeting was purposely called to discuss about the Mission Bumiputra with the principals and headmasters of private and government educational institutes. Doubts and queries raised during the meeting was sorted and resolved.
Jitanluko caste certificate ase OBC by ST by SC ei certificate kon ami tanluko school te goi dibo lage. So sarkar falor amak eta timeline nirধারণ kori dia hoise. To already ami school bilakok amak ki document lagibo he kothakhini ami communicate korisu.
He also informed that by 10th of September, he is expecting all the certificates to be presented at the schools. In Karbi Anglong, as many as 15,000 to 18,000 students are studying at class 9 to 12, comprising both from private as well as government schools. Hence, creating a challenging task to the district administration. But they are also trying to complete the mission within the given time bound.
Certificate issue koribo lagibo to eto eta dangor task, so hetu karone ji hokol principal asil both government school as well as private schools telokok aji ami aru olo besi insight dilu. Already ami 5000 form telokok receive korisu.
Longsodar Inti's report from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. On 23rd of August around 9 a.m., a bus carrying tea garden workers while heading on its way to their workplace overturned and fell into the Jilangso low current stream at Jilangso, falling under the jurisdiction of Bumiputra police station. The bus was on its usual routine to pick up the employees from their house and then bring them to the tea garden and then dropping them back to their own respective houses after their working hours. It was then on 23rd August when a tragic incident was encountered at Jilangso. The bus boarded with the employee of Tea Garden owned by Bijoy Shah was overturned and fell into the Jilangso stream. As many as 35 employees were present in the bus at the time of incident, and so far no loss of life had been reported. It was informed that the bus carrying tea workers took off from Santipur and was moving towards Prabhat Tea Plantation site to carry out the work. Unfortunately, the bus skipped and fell off into the stream, and the cause for this incident is yet to be found out.
আমি যেতিয়া ঘটনাটো আমি গম পালো আমি ইমিডিয়েটলি ইয়াত হসপিটালত আহি আমি ব্যৱস্থাত লাগি আছো এইখিনি কথা আমি আলোচনা কৰিম মানে আমি কিমান মানুহ ইনজুৰ হৈছে মানুহ 35 গাড়ী মানে বাছত 35 মানুহ আছিল ইনজুৰ্ড কিছুবোৰ অলপ বেছি হৈছে বাট বেষ্ট পাৰ্ট এটোৱে যে লাইফ থ্ৰেটনিং কোনো তেনেকুৱা হোৱা নাই আৰু আমি গোটেই আমাৰ টিম ইয়াত আছে আৰু আমি যিমান বেষ্ট আমি ফেচিলিটি দিব পাৰিম আমাৰ মানুহ
It was also reported that bus service from the transportation of tea workers was provided. Until date, not even a single day was transported using goods carrying vehicle. As soon as the news of the incident was heard, the concerned employer initiated a rescue operation and later rushed to the hospital to arrange for the immediate medical aid to the victims.
ঘটনাটো গম পোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমি এইখিনি ৰেস্কিউ অপাৰেশ্যনতে লাগি আছোঁ আৰু যেনেকৈ আমি গম পাম we will definitely let you know.
The injured victims were taken to Golaghat Medical Hospital for their further treatment. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Due to heavy rainfall on 23rd August, certain section of Donkamuka Municipal Board was inundated with flood waters. On 23rd August at around 2 a.m., due to heavy rainfall that broke out at West Karbi Anglong, several villages under Donkamuka Municipal Board was inundated with flood waters. It had created havoc and panic among the villagers. The river flowing adjacent to Donkamukam town, known as Donka River, was also overflowed and made its way to the nearby villages. Moreover, due to poor drainage system installed at Donkamukam town, had additionally braced in causing flood at the town. Donkamukam town is not the only region affected by flood. Several regions in West Karbi Anglong, such as Tenkera Langso and Borthol under Rongkhang constituency, were also badly affected by flood waters. Due to flood, the owners of the residential house submerged in the water were compelled to squeeze out the locked water from inside their houses to take shelter. When our correspondent visited the site, the villagers of Kramsa village informed that earlier there was a bridge, hence no any such type of incident took place. But ever since the bridge was replaced with culverts, this is the third consecutive time that flood had occurred in the village within a year.
La aprang aning kane la son se la dak dolong kido hutke non la kalvar ki thon pe na matsi puruni thom lo non pen la son lang nang kang lo.
Wiki based report from Donkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. On 23rd August, Institute of Homeo Health Science and Education, Ayush Foundation NGO, organized an awareness program on health and education at Harlung Langso Ikathar Ingti village, Angjok Pani, under Socheng Thenta constituency. On this occasion, Dr. Bidya Singh Bey, Managing Director, Borsing Ingti, Village Headman, and Mutial Ingti, Village Headman, led the medicinal plant saplings plantation drive. The plantation drive covered several villages of the region, starting from PWD Road till the end-up of the villages. This plantation drive was carried out to battle unceasing deforestation taking place at our district, which has endangered the naturally found medicinal plants in the region. Dr. Bidya Singh Bey, Managing Director of Homeo Health Science and Education, Ayush Foundation NGO, informed that the NGO is making an effort to aware its citizens the importance of preserving wild medicinal plants and trees and how one could be self-reliant using wild medicinal plants and trees as a source of remedies to various illness.
Checking hin partu du lapen ke ilitu molong thesere kumpong doana hormus tame ilitu molong labang so rong rubolong labangso ke cepat cepleng thuji hakko teng amang pa doi phansin litum pini labangso awareness bangke dawai rong ke ek sompon.
The event was successfully organized and as many as 50 participants volunteered at this work. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.